So I have to get gas. I live somewhat close to a gas station, but this thing's not. So I'm trying to get there as fast as I can. So yeah. It's freaking cold outside, Jesus. So yeah, I made a lot of videos. I'm making a lot of videos. This is weird. It's unheard of from Gavin. Making... Oh. I don't know why I like to do that. I like to stay in these things. So, I don't know what I'm talking about right now. It's probably be another shenanigans video. This, oh crap, I need. Jesus Christ, dude, it's cold. I'm gonna try to ride pretty, pretty decent just to save gas. So they're laughing at me. Why are they laughing at me? That's mean. Jeez, it's so cold. We're almost there. Yeah, this is way farther from one of my dad's. Oh man, I don't know how I feel about this. This is sort of illegal. Circle. I'm just kidding, guys. It's freaking hot outside. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding about that too. So I'm not as sick as I was the other day. The first time I was making videos, not the time where the audio actually recorded, but the day before that, when audio didn't work, I was dying. And yeah. Oh my god, I do not want to ride. I think there's another way. Let me try going that way. I don't really want to go on the streets. I mean, these are the streets, but but these aren't these are just recreational streets, I guess, if I use that right. I think I can go farther. Yeah. If you guys don't know where I'm going to Chevron. Yeah. hard time getting home. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm gonna get some snacks too, cause I have a tournament in like a couple hours. Or not a tournament, I think it's a duel, a wrestling duel. And I forgot to ask my mom to make me stuff, so I don't know. I just need gas, mainly. Ooh. Ooh, this is scary. I think after this car. Oh, no, hurry up, truck, hurry up! Jesus Christ, oh, is that a cop? Come on, I just need gas, man. Oh my god. I just need gas, I'm sorry. I just need gas. Yes, we made it, boys. We made it, boys. We made it, boys. So cold, so cold, so cold, so cold. I really think I'm gonna rob the place. I'm not like that. I'm turn my music off. Thanks, man. It's a lady. I don't know. Okay. Hi. Oh crap. Can I get $2 on 5? And I'm gonna buy something too, just want to get that out of the way. I'm gonna get something. Where are the shemacks? Ooh, some jerky. I'm about to buy something unhealthy. I remember last time I was in the store, I deleted that video, but I kind of wish I didn't. I just want food. I want to eat. I can't eat though. Oh, these are good. $2.99? Bruh.
Hey. Oh, okay. Thanks, man.
You're smart. I see all kinds of people riding bikes. Never wear all the protective stuff.
Yeah.
I used to race dirt bikes. But I've eaten shit so many times in the dirt. I'm like, man,
It hurts, huh?
I'm not gonna deal with any kind of road
Yeah, that's my
road scrub.
that's just my little 50. I have another one. I have two 125s.
You should wear all the protective stuff. You know how easy it is to go down.
Yeah, I crashed.
On the road, shoes.
It's gonna hurt more.
Yeah, it's gonna suck.
I crashed like 10 months ago. Like, yeah. I went to the emergency urgent care. It was fun.
I remember those days.
¿No fuiste al baño, güey? ¿No fuiste?
The lettuce is $1 each. $2.70. And the store is for $1. Oh my goodness, so insane.
Thank you. Have a good day, man. Thank you. Shit. It's fun. Oh, I caught that on camera too, huh? Oops. Wait here for this madness. Oh. My shoelace got cut stuck. Oh, I thought I hit something. Now all I gotta do is get home. This is gonna take forever. Yeah, we got gas. Man, it's probably so obvious where I live now. Play the didgeridoo. You guys know what that song that is? A didgeridoo. It's like this thing that it's like this big like trunk that's just slotted out, you know. And they like these like I guess this like tribe plays with them, plays musica, la música. Oh, that was weird. That was weird. I thought he was like an adult. He was just staring at me. He's just like, dang, this thing backfires like crazy. Like, yeet. Oh my god, I'm freezing my booty hole off. Let's do a dank wally. Oh. Little doggo. Man, come on, I'm doing booty up my willies. Oh my god, it's making me mad. There's a car. That's probably not smart, just driving right in the middle of the road. Man, I haven't eaten all day or yesterday because I have to make weight. I'm doing 115s and I weighed like 118. And I had to drop like 3 pounds, and it's intense.